everyone, this is Hisham and this is day 1 of the 5-day workout challenge for busy people. Our workouts are going to last between 12 and 15 minutes and it's going to include everything. Cardio exercises, strength exercises, warm up, cool down, just everything you need to get in a good workout. And all you might need is a set of dumbbells, and you can always improvise if you don't have them, or just go without them and still get in a good workout. I'm also going to show you the advanced and the beginners versions of the exercises so that these workouts will be suitable for everyone. Again, as I said, these workouts are going to last only for a week, but it will have much benefits on you and on your body. So don't hesitate to try it and invite your friends and family to try it too. Trust me, they are going to thank you for it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with our first workout, in which we are going to focus on HIIT cardio and the lower body. Okay, get ready and follow me. Alright, for this workout we are going to start with a warm-up, 5 exercises of 30 seconds each, and for the main workout we are going to do intervals of 25 seconds on, 10 seconds off, in the format of ABC, ABC, and we are going to finish it all with a cool down. Alright, let's begin with the first exercise of the warm-up, which is gonna be boxer shuffle for 30 seconds. And begin. Always remember to let your chest out, shoulders backwards and straight back. And keep breathing and get your body ready for the workout. We are halfway in. Keep breathing and keep pushing. We have 10 more seconds before going to the second exercise, which is gonna be forward leg swings. And switch it. Now we are going to do each leg at a time, bring it to the front and then to the back, each leg at a time. So this way we are going to warm up our hips, adductors, abductors, everything is warmed up here in the legs. 10 more seconds to go before going to the third exercise, which is going to be standing knee raises. 3, 2, 1, and switch it. We are going to do each knee at a time. Try to bring it to your chest, but remember not to round your back. Always keep it straight, chest out, shoulders backwards, as I said. Ten more seconds to go. And the next exercise is gonna be standing knee circles. And switch it. We are going to do again each leg at a time. We are going to bring it from the inside to the outside and then from the outside to the inside. And 5 more seconds before going to the next exercise, which is gonna be side leg raises squat. And it's gonna be like this, squat and then side leg raise. We are going to do each side at a time. So this way we are going to get those quads ready for the workout. We are going to warm up the knees too. 10 more seconds before ending the warm up. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. The warm-up is done, and now let's move on to the main workout. Let's begin with the first exercise of the group, pilot jacks, for 25 seconds. Begin. For this exercise, you want to start with your feet together, then just slightly squat and then explode up off the ground while raising your legs and arms to the sides, and then come back down into a little squat. Same for the low impact version, except you don't have to jump. 2 more seconds, 1, and then rest. The next exercise is gonna be high knees for 25 seconds. And begin. And this is a great exercise to keep your heart rates up. 10 more seconds to go. in 3, 2, 1, and rest. Now bring your dumbbells or whatever you are going to work with, and we're going to do deadlifts in 3, 2, 1. Get in position and go down and then up. Always have a slight bend on your knees, straight back, go down and then up, and focus on the back. Keep it straight. Butt out, chest out, straight back. 5 more seconds to go in 3, 2, 1, and then put it and rest. Now we are going to do the same group of exercises starting with pilot jacks. In 2, 1, start. Even if you get tired, don't stop, just switch it to the low impact version, but try to push as hard as you can. 10 more seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Same as the second exercise that we did, high knees, and begin. Bring your knees up, straight back, and keep breathing. Focus on the breathing. And same for this exercise. If you get tired, don't stop. Just go for the low impact version. And push yourself past your limits. In 3, 2, 1, and bring the dumbbells. Get ready for the deadlifts. And begin. Go down. You should feel that really good stretch in your hamstrings, and you are going to feel your lower back also. Five more seconds. You are doing a great job. And great. So now we are done with the first group, and then we are going to move on to the second group, starting with the skater leap for 25 seconds, and begin. It's a curtsy lunge, each leg at a time. This is a great exercise for the glutes, for the quads, everything is working here. And for the low impact version, you can do it without jumping. And you are still gonna feel your legs burning. And rest. Next exercise will be butt kickers. In 2, 1, butt kickers. And again, this is a great exercise to keep your heart rates up. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Now bring your dumbbell to move on to the last exercise, which is gonna be sumo squat. Get in position, wide legs, and go down. Same for this exercise, straight back. And breathe correctly and control the movement. Don't go fast, just control it. You are doing a super good job. In 3, 2, 1, great. Now we are going to do again same group of exercises, starting with skater leaps, and begin. You are doing a great job so far. We only have 2 more exercises. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then jump in your place. Breathe correctly. 2, 1, and then butt kickers. Breathing is really essential, so don't forget it and get that oxygen to your body. Five more seconds. And we're done. Now bring your dumbbell. Get ready for the sumo squat. And begin. Always control the movement. Ten more seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And good job. That was the last exercise of the workout. And now let's move to the cool down, and let's start it with a standing quad stretch. Bring your feet to the back and let those knees face the ground. Switch the legs and always keep a straight back. Feel that quad stretch. Next, we are going to do a knee to chest stretch. You can always hold on to something next to you so you can keep your balance and try to hug that knee. Great. Switch legs. And you can always go longer with these stretches so you can feel it more. And always breathe and ease into the stretch. Next, we are going to do 2 touches. Go down, straight legs, and try to go as far as you can go. If you want, just swing those arms and ease into the stretch. Great, now we are going to go to the lunge stretch. Go deep, push your glutes to the front, and always keep your chest up, straight back. Good, this is a great stretch for the hamstrings. And now let's switch legs. And now let's go for the one leg hamstring stretch. Straighten one leg and then bend the other one and go down to the straight leg. You are going to feel a deep stretch in that straight leg. And switch it. Great. You are going to feel a great hamstring stretch. And that's it. That's the end of the cool down. Good job, guys. That was the workout. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you drink tons of water and eat clean, healthy food. And make sure you tune in tomorrow for day number 2. Until then, see you.